Hello friends, this is Siddhant again. Today we are at Coogee Beach and we are here to do Coogee to Bondi walk, which is about an hour. As you can see, it's a very nice day today, hot and sunny, and this beach is full of people today. So I'm expecting a lot of crowd on the way. So let's check it out. So this walk basically it starts from the right hand side of Coogee Beach, just opposite to the hotel. I think it's a Coogee Bay hotel, and the entry of the walk is actually from Dunningham Park, which is just opposite to me now. So this is the entry of the walk, and this is where it starts from Coogee end. And as you can see, today there are so many people on the beach because it's nice, warm and sunny, and this is the perfect weather for the beach. Okay, so this is a little park on top of a hill, just outside the Coogee Bay. As you can see, there's a swimming place at the bottom of it, just around here. And moving on your right, that's Coogee Hotel, just over here. Okay, so other side of the park is basically you can see the cliffs and the ocean. And you can see another car park, which I'll just show you. I think that will be on our way towards Bondi Beach. Okay, so this is a walk path going from Coogee to Bondi. So as far as I know, this walk is around nearly an hour, around 6 to 7 kilometers, and it just goes along the beaches and the cliffs, and it ends at Bondi, or it starts at Bondi. Okay, so while walking towards Bondi Beach, I found this little way going towards the end of the cliff. I believe it should be a nice lookout point here. Okay, so we have reached to the end of that walk, and it's a nice ocean view. I'll just show you around it. So this was the ocean view I came from. So just to put this thing in perspective, this is one of the Sydney's most famous walk. It's like one of the must-do things in Sydney. Okay, so we are back on track again. So the actual path is complete concrete, so you can wear your normal walking shoes. And if you forget to bring the water, then there are a lot of drinking places like this. Okay, so we are about to enter Gordon Bay now. So I'll just quickly show you. This is where we started from, and right now we are at Gordon Bay, and it will take you like along the beach towards Clovelly Beach. Then Bondi is further up somewhere there. So this place is Gordon Bay. As you can see, there is not a lot of beach area, like a sandy area in the middle. It's either the rocks on the side where people are sitting. And in this hot weather, I think this is a perfect place to be. So after Garden Bay you will see a little bit of a climb which will take you on top again, and then you start going towards Clovelly Beach. So just to be very honest, walk is easy, but it's not flat. There are a lot of stairs which you have to go up and down, obviously because you are running along the cliff and the cliffs are never flat. So right now we are walking down.
No alcohol. And we won't even have.
So we have reached some car park on Victor Street or Victory Street, and I believe this is the place where it starts going towards Clovelly Beach. So we have basically reached to Clovelly Beach here, and now we will cross this and then we will go through along the cemetery towards the Bondi Beach. So this beach is Clovelly Beach, and like all other beaches in this area, this is packed too. So the one thing which I like about Clovelly Beach is the beach itself. It's not a very big beach, but they have occupied a lot of land from the sea, and they have put proper concrete so people can come and relax over here. I'll just show you around. So this is actually the beach, right? And if I take you around, this is a swimming pool which is just in the front, and it's all concrete pathway, this side and that side, where people can come and relax. So it's a very nice place. Okay, so from Clovelly Beach it starts going up and it will head towards the one of the most famous cemeteries you can see in Sydney. So while you are walking on this track, you can actually see some of the most expensive houses in Sydney too.
Girl, you read my mind.
Okay, so now we're heading into Waverley Cemetery. Okay friends, so we have reached Waverley Cemetery. I believe this is the oldest cemetery in Sydney, but if it's not the oldest one, then certainly this occupies the best views in Sydney. So this is what I was saying, that all area is cemetery, and the area at the back there, if you can see, that's Bondi Beach. And if you see far, this area is Bondi Beach, where ultimately we have to go. Just for a while I'll show you inside the Waverley Cemetery how it looks from inside. I won't be exploring a lot in this place. This is quite a big cemetery, as you can see.
hard.
Okay guys, so I have to terminate my walk now and have to go back. Unfortunately, my bike is actually parked in a limited parking area for a couple of hours, and it's nearly 1.5 hours I'm in this place. So I assume I will walk straight back to my motorcycle and head back home. So I have done most of it. The only beaches which are left is actually Bondi and Bondi Beach. So we will be going through the same way where we came from. So there won't be any lot of recording while going back. More than a beach, this place actually looks like a natural swimming pool. They have all the concrete places around. You can come and relax. And I think out of all beaches I have seen, Clover Valley Beach was the best beach I have seen so far. Okay, so we are back at the same stairs which I was telling earlier will be hard to climb.